Hello everyone. Today we are going to create a cycloid using the AutoCAD software. Okay. So first we have to ensure that you are in drafting and annotation or 3D modeling. So I will change the mode here. 3D modeling means we have box, cylinder, cone, sphere, pyramid, wedge, torus, icon. Okay. So here we can create special features using we can create the 3D object using the special features. These are the special features: extrude, loft, revolve, sweep. So today we are going to create only 2D, right? So go to drafting and annotation. So before starting your diagram, set the prerequisite units, limits. Your lower left corner is 0 comma 0. So you have to choose the upper right corner based on your paper size. So this one is A3, so 420 comma 297. Suppose A4 means 297 comma 210. Okay, you enter, then zoom all. Zoom all. We are going to draw a, or we are going to construct the diagram within the green and red line. Okay, so I'm going to create circle using, you can use as a center radius or center diameter method. Okay, so I will choose center diameter. So randomly I choose diameter 100. Okay, so for creating the cycloid we need a rectangle. So because we are going to create only one loop, so based on our diameter we have to calculate the circumference length of the loop. Okay, so here we can use the calculator. So we know the formula for circle. Okay, 2 pi r or 2 pi d for for calculating the circumference length. So pi into, we know the diameter 100. So 314.15. So from here, switch on this ortho mode. 100. Height is 100 because diameter is 100, right? So 314.15. So length is 314.15. Height is 100. Then again close it. Now give an enter for escape from the previous command. So I'm going to divide the circle into number of segments. So go to this modify toolbar and select the drop down menu. Select here polar array. Okay, before going to polar array, you need to create one line. Based on the line only, we are going to divide the segments. So go to polar array, select this line, last the base point. Last the base point. So here 6 we have to change into 12. So then close array. So I will name it here single line text state. I will give 7, orientation 0. Okay, this one is my first point, second, third, fourth, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay, so I will draw. Okay, based on the topmost point we created this line, and bottommost point we created this line. Okay, so now we have to draw this line. So reference line for 3 and 5. So both are passing in the same points. Okay, so for if you want to repeat this same command, just press enter. So 2 and 6. So this line 1 and 7 passing through the same, and 12 and 8 same. Next 9 and 11. If you want to trim the unwanted portion, use the trim command. Okay. Okay. Now we created the reference line. Okay. So for here you have to create. So here we have divided 12 number of segments, right? So here also we have to divide 12 number of segments. So go to divide command, select this line and give enter. Number of segments 12, then give enter. So it is divided but not visible to our eye, right? So go to p type. So here we can choose point state. So here set size in absolute, give OK. So now divided into 12 number of segments. So here we have to create vertical line. Then I'm going to do the off portion only. So I'm repeating the same line command. So press enter for repeating the same command. No need to go to line. Okay. So now we got the vertical and horizontal line, right? So I'm going to start from here. This is my first point, and so this is my first point, and also here suppose I'm going to start from here. So 10 is my starting point, and also 10 is my end point. So it will start from here 10 and it will end from 10, right? So I will create one circle with the same diameter 100. So this is my center point of this one. Okay, I will create diameter 100. Okay, so this is my starting point. So I will create one point. This is my starting point, right? Okay, I will change the color for this point yellow. Okay, now I'm going to move the circle from this center point to this center point. So use the move command, select the circle and give enter. So this is my base point. So okay, this point to this point. So it is intersecting. This horizontal line is intersecting with this circle, right? So copy this one. So place in this point. This is my intersecting point. Okay. So now again I'm going to move this circle from this center to this center. Okay, again it is intersecting this line with this one. First, for this is my first point, second this line, and third one this line. So circle intersecting here. So copy this line and press Control V. Okay. So again move, select this circle, this center to this center. So now here intersecting. So copy this line, Control C and Control V. Okay. Again move this line, this point to this point. It is intersecting here. So copy this. Okay, again move this point to this point. So it is intersecting here. So place here. Again, so it is move this circle, this point to this point. So this is my topmost point. Okay, so now we got the points. Okay, now I'm going to create the join the all points using the spline fit. So first point, second point, third point, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. So drag your cursor out of your last point, then give enter. Okay, now we got the line. So second off, I'm going to mirror this line. So go to mirror command and select this line. It will ask the center point. This is my center point and the second point. Okay, so this is my source object. We need to keep our source object, right? So give no erase, no need to erase. So join the two arcs. Okay, okay. Now the line converted into single line. So you can use the color, change the color. I will change the color. First select the line, then go to color option. Okay, if you want to change the thickness of the line, you can, okay, select the line, go to by layer, line weight settings. So here display line weight, uh, enable the display line weight. After that select the 0.3, 0.35 like that, your wish, then give OK. Okay, enable the line weight setting. Okay, so after that make the dimensions. So this is radius or diameter, your wish. Change the line width, then linear dimension of this. Okay, okay. So we constructed the cycloid. Thank you for your